Hello folks, fellow YouTubers and friends. Welcome again to Boomtown Laboratories. Well, it's July the 5th, 2012. 7:15 a.m. Okay, we've got this savonius up on the trailer. Larry and his son Stephen are trying to fasten it down. Once we get it fastened down, then we're going to have to run some guy cables from the top down so that any wind stress when we're pulling it down the highway doesn't turn the damn thing over or rip it loose from the trailer. Alright, we'll get back to you when we get a little bit further along. Okay, we got a little situation here. Being it's mounted on a trailer, it's not as sturdy as it was mounted on the ground. So if you can see right now, if you look at the top, you can see it bobbing back and forth. And you can barely see the trailer, but if you look close, you can see the trailer's actually moving. So what we're gonna do is cut some gussets or bracing to go in the corners and weld them in. And when they get them in, I'll make a little short clip of that. Okay, you can see right there behind Larry, or to his left, we've already got one of the braces in. So he's taking measurements for the other one. And then we're going to have to move the scaffold around to the back of the trailer, because the scaffold will straddle the trailer. So he's on the scaffold. That's our brace. We're going to put 3 in at the top and 3 in at the bottom. The top ones are 21 inches long. The bottoms are going to be 14. We're a little bit closer at the bottom than we are at the top. So next time we build one of these, we're going to take the legs out a little further so we can get a better bracing in it. And we're going to use sturdier uprights. That 1.25 by 1.25 it's fine for a small one like this, but when we go to the 18 or 24 foot tall, I'm thinking we're going to go with the 3 by 3 by 1/8 inch thick tubing. And we're going to make the legs on the bottom and the top, the spider legs, a little bit longer so we can get the heavier duty bracing in it. Okay. Oh, and we've come up with the idea that I'm going to try to find some either 3/16 or 1/4 inch metal circles. I know where, I think I showed you guys up at Fulton Metals. They had stacks and stacks of those metal circles. So I'm going to try to get either 3/16 or 1/4 inch thick, 37 or 38 inch diameters, and we're going to put that between the layers of the barrels. The wood works, but you have to have a shaft with it, and everything has to be dead center. So with the round circles, it's still going to have to be centered, or it'll wobble. But we won't need a center shaft either. And I'm hoping a side effect will be that it will help cup the air a little bit more. So anyway, we're getting there. We're getting there. I'm going to have to run to Home Depot and get some cable. We've only got enough to do one tie down. So anyway, all right, we'll talk to you later. All right, he's got 2 of them on. Now we've moved the scaffold around to the back side of the trailer so he can put the 3rd one on. He gets that done, then we'll come down to the bottom and put the 3 on at the bottom. All right, let's go up there and take a look, see. Yeah, there we go. Okay, okay. Okay, now we've got the top done. We're going to start working on the bottom. That's the first one. We got 2 more to go. Alright, now we've cut single lengths out of a chain, and we're welding them, one on each one of the 3 corners, and 1 down on the trailer in the back, and 2 up here on this tongue of the trailer. And then we've got our cable, and we've got to make our chokers out. I did a video on showing how to put an I-splice, a simple I-splice, in a cable, and that's what we're going to do. And I'll make a really short video of Larry doing one of those. Okay, I found my wind gauge. Hope you people can hear me from over here. Found the wind gauge. I've lost it there for a while. The wind is blowing, it's bouncing between 0 and 1.6 miles per hour, and this thing is turning. Even at 0, it keeps on turning. It won't measure anything below 0.1 miles per hour. Right now it's at reading 0. Now 0.1, 0, 0.0, 0.1, 0.0, 1.9, 2.3, 3.3, 2.1, 1.2. I think we got something, because even right now, if you grab hold of it and try to stop it instantly, you break your hand. We got something. Okay folks, we're putting our guy cables on now. Larry's already got the one in the back. Let's see if I can get that zoomed in where you can see that. He's already got that one on the back. Now working on the two in the front. There they are, coming right down there. Right down to there. Okay, we're getting it done. Okay, I thought I'd change camera position, see if we can get a little better shot of everything. So I'm inside the shops where I can get some shade and I can focus this thing better. Okay, I guess next step is try to see if we can, how we're going to go about mounting the PMA and see how much energy we can get out of this thing. Alright, have fun. I don't know if you people can see that in the dial or not, but the wind's bouncing around anywhere from 4 and 0 miles per hour. There it is, 0, 0, 0.0, and the savonius is turning. 0.0, 0.3, 0.1, 0.58, 0.8, 1.4, a split second. Oh, 4.4, all right. And look at her go, folks. Look at her go. Okay. Oh, 6.8, damn. I mean, we're talking about a millisecond. 2.1, 0.1, 4.8. I mean, check it out. And when that thing gets turning, it's got some power. What you need to think about is once it's turning, each barrel, each set of barrels, half barrels, is 43 pounds. So you got 3 times 43. That's its own flywheel, folks. That's its own flywheel.